Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to search and filter records in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, you can just come to the top right, click on search your CRM. Now here you can click on all results to get all of them, and let's start filtering our search. Okay, if you want you can do it updated last 7 days, right? But let's go ahead and make a actual search. So let's look for influencers, right? People with the influencer tag. So here we see the results. We have all the results. These are contacts. Of course, we click on accounts, they will not find anything. But if we filter by, let's say, contacts, right, we'll have these here. And you can add more filters as well. So if I come here, click on add filter, I'll be able to choose more filters. So let's scroll down. Let's do email status, right? Email status will make it active. So people only with active emails, nothing bounced, invalid, or junk. So let's see. Click on apply. They still show up. Let's add another filter. Let's do job title. So we'll go ahead and pick up HR, right? Let's look for HR manager. So hit apply. We have one, Jay Patel. And you can, of course, add additional filters here as well. You can come here and you can also click here and add more. Okay. And once we click on this, you can choose from different, custom sales activities, right? You can pick these here as well. We have nothing in chats, only have them here in contacts. But that's how you go about this. And once you're done, you can go ahead and reset to default or clear the filters as well. Okay. Really that easy. And that is how to search and filter records in Freshsales.